大家好，我係 Mirza。We had a job in Kingston with the renovation and some alternation inside. Let's go inside and check it. In here, the staircase was starting from here going upwards. We changed it the other way to give more space as soon as you enter the house. And there was one more, we removed it. We put the steel beam across there from this end to that end. Then we installed the new staircase. Originally, this two door was on that side. We closed that one as a new staircase on this one. So we have door in here. This job is like 80% finished. We have done new spotlights, all the new wiring, all the new radiators, all new plumbing with new boiler. And there was artificial fireplace. We have to remove it to make it smooth. And that's it, we go downstairs and check it. Downstairs we have front room. Again, there was artificial fireplace. We removed it. New lights, new radiator, new flooring. And then we changed the electric fuse box. On the floor you can see the old one. This is the new one, we installed it. Then we go to the kitchen area here. It was a very tiny kitchen. It has one partition here, one there, small boiler room was there. So we rip it off everything, we remove everything. We install new boiler here. And this is going to be a new bathroom. You will see later on once it's finished. And then we have built summer house in the garden. We have summer house in this Kingston property. It's about 25 square meter. We are doing bathroom in here with wet shower, with toilet, with hand basin, with the towel rail. We are using small tiles, 100 by 2 mm, 200 mm. We are using like 2 mm spacer. And then once it's done, we remove the spacer, we fill with the grout. And we have here all new wiring with the separate fuse box in here. You can see, and then we have new window, new door, new flooring, new radiator.
我哋嘅鋪磚工程大概由朝頭早9點鐘開始，師傅第一樣要做嘅嘢，梗係扮靚仔啲啦，因為今日要上鏡啊嘛。跟住就係開水預備水泥 （tile adhesive）。師傅喺牆上面鋪嘅水泥係會有一條條嘅 texture， 咁就梗係唔係為咗靚啦，而係咁樣做可以令到個瓷磚吸得更加好。將塊磚咁樣壓落去，咁啲泥就會平均分佈㗎啦。而我哋用嘅工具係 Not Steel Trowel， 呢度 for DIY 嘅朋友可以留意翻。為咗瓷磚之間嘅距離一致，師傅用咗2 mm 嘅 spacer。喺牆嘅邊位呢，我哋係唔會用到完整一塊嘅瓷磚嘅。呢個時候我哋會用 tile cutter 將瓷磚切割到需要嘅尺寸。好啦，今日就講到呢度啦。如果大家想了解更多嘅裝修資訊或者我哋嘅工程實況，可以 follow 我哋嘅 Facebook 或者 subscribe 我哋嘅 YouTube channel。